What's going on, credit kings and queens? In today's video, man, we're going to talk about the best builder-rebuilder combo. Let go. Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome to. If this is your first time here, my name is EJ. This is Central Digital Media, and on this channel, man, you guys are following me on my journey to 800, and I'm showing you guys tips and tricks and techniques that I've done to get to where I'm gonna be. You guys are following me on this journey. That's it. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so you can take the tips you want to or not. But today's video, man, I'm gonna talk about what I feel is the best beginner builder or rebuilder combo, and that's the Navy Federal nRewards card and the Discovery Edge security card. Now, obviously this combo isn't going to be for everybody because the Navy Federal card is for military personnel and DoD officials and stuff like that, so, and their family members. So not everybody's going to be able to get that card. I'll give you guys an alternative at the end of this video that you guys will be, they can fill in for that card. Because you want to find cards that have no annual fees and that graduate. Not all cards are going to have rewards like the Discovery Edge card. So I'll give you guys an alternative at the end of this video. So let's jump right into this today. But before we do that, you guys, if you guys could do me a solid favor, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because on this channel, man, I'm giving y'all some value. Get that credit score to 800. And I got a story to tell y'all too. I don't know if I'm gonna tell y'all in this one or not, but depends how long this is. I'm gonna tell y'all. So, as you guys know, I have both the Navy Federal and the Discovery Edge card, and I've had them both since the summer of this year. I've been rebuilding all this year, and I've taken my score. If you don't know this, I've taken my score from 421 for my lowest score to now my highest score is 631 in a year's time. Now, for some people that's slow, some people that's good. It is whatever you feel, but I feel like that's amazing progress. I've done a lot to change my credit score over these last few months, and one of the biggest things I did was I opened up those two cards and I did the kickoff credit builder loan. Why do I feel like these two cards are the best combo for rebuilding or building? Well, one, the cards both have no annual fees. Now, with security cards, if you want to start out, you don't want to have a card that has an annual fee starting out. That means it's a fee hound card. I call those cards like that fee hounds, because if you're giving the bank the money, there should be no reason that they should charge you an annual fee. My ear feels weird today. So this is a card which is going to get to my next point. You want to have this card for a long time. So you get a card with no annual fee. That means it should be able to, second point, graduate. Now you want those cards to graduate between anywhere from 6 months to a year to 2 years. It depends on how you do, the bank, and how you treat the card. If you're gonna have a card with no annual fee and it graduates in a certain amount of time, it tells you the roadmap to graduate, that's a win-win right there. Now those two cards that now you can have virtually forever. Because why would you want to get rid of your oldest cards? We all know that keeping your cards open the longest amount of time, the longer you have it, the better your credit score. So you want that history. So keep it open for as long as possible. Put a small bill on it, put it on auto pay, and put it in your drawer. Now the third reason I feel like this card is the best, these cards are the best one to come up for rebuilding or building, is the fact that you can alternate them. Both have rewards, but one has a cash back 1 year match. So whatever you make in a year in cash back, they match it at your 1 year mark. That's the Discovery Edge card. Now the Navy Federal card, it just has pretty much a 1% on everything. So you're getting rewards on each side, but one has a little bit more. So you can alternate them. So when you're doing your gas purchases and your food restaurants or whatever, your restaurant purchases, you use your Discover card. And then on all your other purchases, you use the Navy Federal. Now to do this, man, you're gonna have need at least $400 to put on both of these cards, at least. I suggest, people say you don't need to do more than 200. I suggest getting both cards to 300 to 500. 500 is optimal, because at that point you can do a little bit more with the card, as long as you can pay it off. All right, that's the most important thing. We don't care about balances. As soon as it reports, your statement date, as soon as it reports your balance, so you can have a little, so they can show you that you're actually using the card, pay it off full. You can alternate the cards out, and at the end of each week, pay them off. Or you can use one for 1 week and then one for the next week, pay them off. But we pay them off, keep very low balances over here. That's what we do. All right. The next reason is, I forgot. What's the fourth reason? The fourth reason is both of these cards have amazing customer service. Besides the fact that I got denied a credit limit increase on my security card. Make sure you guys watch that video so you know exactly that. You can't get denied a security card, a credit limit increase. The customer service has been great. You call them and it's virtually instant when you call. I've never had to wait longer than like a couple minutes for anything. You can chat with them over the phone, from your phone, from the app, off with Discover for sure. And the Navy Federal is a little bit slower on the messaging part because of COVID. But if you call, it's like instant. So yeah, if you're looking for a good customer service place, that's what you want to go with. The only downside to these places is they don't have lots of branches. So you have to do everything at coordinating places like other credit union to deposit money into your account, or have to do it from your own bank account and then transfer it over like that, or call them. But you can't really transfer money on these cards. I've tried to transfer money and it blocks you. So that's the only real downside to these cards. And two, the other downside is it's a security card, so you have to limit how much you can spend to keep your utilization low. So at any given time, you can't spend no more than what, 80 to 100 bucks on these cards. It depends on where your limit is. It helps you build, but at the same time, it doesn't. My goal is I want to be able to put all my bills on one card and just pay them all at the beginning of the month and not have to worry about it. You know, this on this day, this on this day. I just want to pay all the thing in one fell swoop and not have to worry about it no more. And in order to do that, you're gonna need like a $5,000–$6,000 limit. So it's gonna take some time. But all in all, man, if you guys are looking for a great 1-2 combo, this is it. Now, if you can't get the Navy Federal card, the other option that I would suggest getting is the Citi version. The Citi has a security card too. It graduates a little bit longer to graduate, but Citi is one of the top 5 big banks here too. So if you want to get it in with Citi, that's a great way to build a relationship with them, and you get a security card with them. And everybody know that Citi Double Cashback card is one of the best cashback cards on the market. So it's like pound for pound one of the best cards you can get. So if you guys can do that, look into Citi. If you don't like Citi, I mean, some people don't, and some people might not like this bank either. Bank of America has a security card that graduates too. The Bank of America security card, check into that. People don't like Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo don't have a security card anymore. They have a secure business card, but I'll do a video on that later. So those are a couple options that you guys, if you guys want to still have another 1-2 combo. Yeah, so the Bank of America card doesn't have an annual fee. So yeah, good options if you guys want to do this. I suggest if you're trying to rebuild, start now. Like if you have the funds set aside, you have $200 laying around, just do it. Get your credits game started now, because 2021, man, hey, like I said, we press and go. All gas, no brakes, all right? So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, man. Navy Federal, I'm looking forward to unsecuring with you guys in just a little bit. I'm hoping I'll unsecure around February. It would be nice. And then my Discover card should unsecure around that time too, around March, April. So, hey, we'll see, man. Looking forward to getting these limits, building relationships. I pre-qualified for all Navy Federal cards too. That was crazy. Like I did the pre-qualification yesterday, and like literally every card, including the flagship. I'm not gonna press play in because you guys, if you watch my video about Chase, I'm doing Chase first. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, man. This has been the Central Digital Media production. My name's EJ. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and get your credit score up. Get you guys in the next video, man. Till next time, I'm out.